Are you planning to pursue a career in design? The Undergraduate Common Entrance Examination for Design, or UCEED 2026, is your first step. In the next few minutes, let's go through the registration process, key dates, eligibility, and important tips to ensure a smooth application. Registration for UCEED opens on October 1st, 2025. The regular fee deadline is October 31st. A late registration option is available in November, but it comes with an additional 500 rupee late fee. The exam itself is scheduled for January 18, 2026. Keeping these dates in mind is crucial since missing them can cost you an attempt. Now, who can apply? The candidate should have been born on or after October 1, 2001, if belonging to the Open, EWS, OBC, NCL category, and born on or after October 1, 1996, if belonging to the SC, ST, or PWD category. For General, OBC, NCL, and EWS candidates, the date of bland. In terms of academics, students appearing for or who have passed Class 12 in 2025 or 2026 are eligible. All streams are accepted: science, commerce, or arts. Importantly, you get a maximum of 2 attempts, and they must be in consecutive years. The first step is creating your account on the official IIT Bombay UCEED portal. Go to uceed.iitb.ac.in, click on Register, enter your email, and verify it through an activation link. This email becomes your primary communication channel, so make sure it is valid and accessible. Next, log in with your credentials and fill in personal details exactly as per your Class 10 certificate. Choose 3 preferred exam cities, keeping in mind travel convenience. Once submitted, details cannot be edited, so accuracy is essential. Candidates must upload a recent passport-size photograph in JPEG format with a plain background, a scanned signature on white paper in black or blue ink, a valid category certificate if applicable. Ensuring clarity and correct dimensions avoids rejection at later stages. The registration fee is 4,000 rupees for General, OBC, NCL, and EWS candidates. For female candidates as well as SC, ST, and PWD categories, the fee is 2,000 rupees. Payments can be made using credit cards, debit cards, or net banking. Always save the receipt for future reference. Some critical tips: use a stable internet connection and an updated browser. Double-check all details before submission. Name, date of birth, and category must match official documents. Once submitted, no corrections are allowed, so careful review is necessary. Download and save copies of the application form and payment receipt immediately. After registering, candidates can download their admit card in January 2026. The exam will test creativity, analytical ability, and logical reasoning. Keep visiting the official portal for announcements, updates, and admit card details. Serious preparation should begin early to maximize your chances. In short, UCEED 2026 is a crucial step for anyone aspiring to study design at top institutions. By following the registration process carefully, meeting deadlines, and preparing consistently, you can move forward with confidence on your design journey.